Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be heading back down to see Aaron at AJP CARKO for a maintenance wash on the Abarth 595 Trofeo, which is absolutely filthy because I haven't actually got it washed since the last time he done the stage 1 enhancement detail on it. So it has been a little while, but the main purpose for this video is we're going to be taking a look at this limited show wax which has been crafted by HB Source. There's only 22 of these actually crafted and it smells absolutely fantastic, and I know most people are going to be using this as like a collectible item. It's called Nero Scorpione and it looks absolutely fantastic and it smells amazing. So we're going to get this laid onto the car after he tidies it up, because like I said, it's absolutely filthy. So it's going to give us a good idea of how this looks on the car, what sort of shine it gives it, how well obviously it repels water and all that good stuff. So let's head on down to AJP CARKO.
Ryan Little.
Right, so we're here with Aaron at AJP CARKO. Aaron, so last time I bought my Abarth here, you done a stage 1 enhancement detail on it. So what does that consist of?
So stage 1 enhancement detail is going to be decontaminate the paintwork, get it all ready, prepped, degreased, and then we go for a single stage polish.
Yep.
Using a light to medium polish to remove any minor defects and swirl marks. And then obviously we wet sanded the back quarter because there was a scratch which almost made you cry.
Yeah, it did.
But yeah, so we managed to get that out with a little bit of wet sanding, and then I had to bring that back up with 3 stages of polishing.
Yep.
But it looked good, and today we're gonna just clean it and make sure just give a paintwork a check over, make sure my work's been protected, and then we're gonna reapply a new layer of wax.
Yep.
Maybe 2 actually. We might layer some waxes.
We're giving it a good treatment today. So Aaron, I'm going to hand you over the Nero Scorpione and you can work your magic on the car.
Yes.
Aaron, the wax is on. What do you think?
That's good. It's good fun.
Good stuff.
It's really easy to apply. Pretty much exactly what I said in my video, really. No plug there. It's going to put a little card up here.
No, yeah, definitely. His link will be in the description below. And if you do need your car clean, definitely take it to Aaron. He's enjoying a nice little ice cream.
Man came round.
Picked up. He's treating himself after a long, hard day's work on the Abarth. But the gloss is absolutely amazing. It's come out a lot better than I thought. And I'm going to insert some clips now, obviously, of the shine so you guys can see it. And like I said, I'll leave his link in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.